Starting out, I'm going to use the lightest yellow shade, and I'm going to apply this above my crease all the way up to my eyebrow. Next, I'm using a darker yellow shade, and I'm going to buff this into my crease and a little bit above my crease. Then I'm going to pick up the bright green color on my Morphe M514 brush, and I'm going to place it directly in the crease. And one of the fibers just poked me in the eye, which really hurts. Unfortunately, this brush does tend to fray quite a bit. I still really like the shape of this brush, and I think it has a unique shape to it, but it is on the cheaper side and it is prone to fraying. Now I am just blending out the green with the yellow in the corner. Then I'm going in with a darker green color, and I'm going to pat this on my lid with a small flat round brush. And then I'm going to do more blending. Next step is liquid liner, and I am using the Urban Decay Liquid Perversion liner. And then I'm going to use some concealer to get rid of the previous eyeshadow and conceal under my eyes. And then I'm going to use Lucky Clover from Anastasia Beverly Hills to highlight my brow bone and place that on my lower lash line. But I also think that using a yellow or green from the palette would also look pretty. And the last step is to add lashes and mascara.